Hey everyone, this is Cody with Apostle Designs. I just wanted to share a new pod that I've launched. This is a pod that's printed out of a transparent material. It allows you to mount a set of LEDs inside the pod. Gives you a really unique look. I have my LEDs on, independent controllers from the ones that are mounted in the Kicker KM8s. And that allows me to control the pod LEDs, obviously separate from the ones that are in the grill. Gives it a really cool look with different color combinations. I can make a flash, whatever, but very cool setup. I'm very happy with them. I'm gonna run them about 6 to 8 months on my Pioneer. I'll run them under the dash. Like I said, these are Kicker KM8s, which are an 8-inch coaxial, and I've made pods from 4-inch all the way up to these 8-inch ones. 6.5s are probably my most popular pod. I make a lot of them that are custom to your speaker. So if you don't see a pod listed for your speaker, hit me up. They typically don't cost any more than what I have listed if they're the same size speaker, unless you want something really exotic, or then obviously we'll talk. But I can do different applications, different mounting flanges. I can remove holes, I can add holes. Just to give you an idea of some of the stuff that I've done, here's a more or less like a black sealed pod, and I've included 3 holes in this one for what would be speaker wire, the other 2 for, you can either use like a mounting screw, or in this particular case these holes are big enough so that I can use one of these plastic push rivets, which I've got in this flange. One of these plastic body rivets, which is what I use on my pods. I actually use this same flange setup that has a kind of a hinge style so that I can mount it on that angled surface that's underneath the Pioneer's dash. But and then I do use the rivets. It works really, really well. The other style of pod which actually goes to that particular mounting flange and I use is one that has a port in it. This port just allows you, because the pod is so small, it gives you some more breathing room. In the case of the KM8s, they are 8-inch speakers, so I was trying to get the most sound out of them that I could. They have some pretty good mids, and the driver moves really well, so I've been very happy with it. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share these things with y'all, and if you have any questions or have an application you want me to look at, just hit me up. My contact information is below, or you can hit me up at eBay through my eBay account, Apostle Designs. And thank you very much.